Well, I've been trying to transform my whole life, and I've done a lot of work that didn't seem to really push me forward. But when this video came about the Pranic Living Workshop, I immediately said, I have to do it. I have to do it. And then, of course, I'd go through the times of doubting. But when we got here, I was just totally amazed, and we became a family. And the love and the transformation from not being addicted to food. I was addicted to food my whole life, and it was so emotional. It was all about emotional stuff. And it wasn't about the food. I was eating good food, which I think is interesting, because Ray says, you can eat what you want once it's not controlling you and your body responds. So I feel so much better in every way. I can't even say. And Ray is the most clear, grounded, real person I have ever worked with. He's just genuine to the core. And then we did an exercise called the Angel Walk, and I have never been overwhelmed by love like that. An understanding of your own value. It's beyond, you cannot put a price on what this has given me. I am so grateful, and I intend to do my best to stay through the program. The program really isn't going to end for all of us until January 5th, and do my continual dry fasting and juicing, because my body is responding and I feel such vibrant health. In just this short while, my mind is blown, but I love it. And I could not be more grateful than for this. This is the best ever. And all of my life, I wanted to be involved in helping the planet. And now the connection is just beyond belief that this will actually uplift the planet, that we are all doing work way beyond ourselves. And what more could you ask for? That's all. It's been wonderful. And the people, we are a soul family. It's mind-blowing to be among people who get you. Because most of the people that I run into, they don't get me. But I had a little doubt about that. I thought, oh my gosh, what if I'm going to be the weirdo there? But it's just been amazing in every way. I love every person here who's put their energy into this transformation. And I am grateful beyond words. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, the whole team.